Dear Sherry, so I have some really old sensimilla that my mother found and I thought confiscated 40 years ago. But believe it or not, my sister found it in my mom's dresser after she passed away, in the same makeup bag I kept it in, along with my old pipe and some easy widers. It's been in the dark, in a baggie, inside a film canister for the entire 40 years since I last saw it. I would say it's barely a couple of tablespoons. I wouldn't dare smoke it, but do you think I could make some infused oil for using to help sleep or something? Just to give it a try? Or should I just put it in the Smithsonian? Well, that's an interesting question. Not uncommon either. Before I get to the answers, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Well, I absolutely would give it a try. You have nothing to lose. At that age, if you're going to cook with it, there's no need to decarboxylate because decarboxylation happens with age. And at that age, I think you're pretty well decarboxylated. So you could just make it into a butter or an oil and cook with it. Although I don't know if you have enough of an amount to cook with it. It depends on how strong it is. Honestly, you really could smoke it if you choose. It's not like it's been where it could get dirty or dusty or anything like that. I had a friend in a similar situation a few years back, and she was clearing out her house for a big move to another country, and she found a bag that was about 25 years old at the time, a long forgotten stash. Well, it was there, so what were we to do? We rolled a big fatty and sparked it up. Now, I can't say that it's the most flavorful smoke I ever had, but it did get us high. So yeah, old weed is still fine to use, bottom line.